Thank you for tuning in for another Restoration Explained. To my right we have the GT400 Lamborghini here in our panel beating department. Now Luke, as you can see, is currently doing the leading, which is like that paddle thing. You can see him, he's heating up the lead and moving it around where it needs to go after he prepared the surface beforehand. Now we'll go through on the other side of the car, explain why we do this. So you can see this side of the car has actually had all this done now, and the chrome, it's not been chromed yet, it's just been fitted up to check all the gapping to make sure everything fits like it should. Now you can see the discoloration. This is the steel of the body and this is the lead. Now it goes through the A pillar all the way down to the C pillar, and this is so that the chrome fits nice and neatly, and this is how the cars were originally prepared and done. Now this is quite a sharp edge in there. Originally it would have been like a rolled edge, and then they put the lead over it, which is exactly the same way that we've done this. Now, another interesting thing and good thing about lead that we like, why we like to use it, is that you'll see through here, this is on the C pillar to the fender, it's actually got a weld that would join these two through here, which would have been how the car was made originally. Now, when we go through it, if we always take out all the lead to check underneath it, just in case there's some bad preparation in the past that could either compromise our paint job once the car was moving forward into the painting department. Now this has all been refilled and done, and through this section here, a lot of people today won't put the lead back in. Now, we don't like that. We always like to put the lead back in because it's just so much more stable than what filler is, and the reason why that is the case, that if you have a welded section through here on the C pillar connecting to the body, this is actually quite a stressed area, and when the body goes through undulations and when the body actually is stressed, this is one of the first places that it will crack. And if it's with filler, because it's leaded, it actually really supports the area where it's welded together and joined, and it really distributes the load a lot better. It also means that you can run a really thin skim of bog through here, or filler, when the car's in the painting department, and this will just make the paint job last so much longer than would have been otherwise. So yeah, thank you for tuning in.